Good evening, everyone, and so this is my analysis of the US dollar index for the week commencing Sunday, the 9th of February 2020. So last week I was having a look at price. My expectation was to see that US dollar weakening. Subsequently, price didn't actually break the low of that weekly candle. It actually reversed, and we had a really strong bullish week for the US dollar index, and actually it broke even most recent highs, kind of heading back into its territory kind of towards October last year. So we're sort of heading up now towards 99, and if you look at it on a monthly basis, you can actually see that price, the behavior here, we still have a higher swing low here. So actually that bullishness so far holding up, and I'll be keeping an eye. There's definitely some strong resistance here, so I'm a little bit cautious with that, but I just wanted to kind of cover the fact that our price in fact exactly went kind of the opposite way to what I was expecting. So subsequently that means that the euro headed a lot lower, breaking through support. Nice bearish. So for any day traders who were on kind of on their on the ball, there was some really good opportunities there. Next key level is going to be heading down towards 1.09, and the same with cables. So cables a little bit stronger, but it still went straight through support, broke through. And so what I'm going to be looking for in the coming days is pullbacks in to test that level of support for resistance, and then see if that continues to head lower. Now I was looking at both Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar for short trades, so notice I was bearish on those, and actually they followed through very nicely. So I'm in a couple of these trades at the moment, but specifically for me the weaker one was Kiwi dollar, and so that's nice. That's hit that 1-to-1 already and looking to follow through. So right now all of the evidence does support a stronger US dollar as opposed to a weaker US dollar, which is what I was talking about before. So it does. But I'm still concerned, just at this point, just cautious, slightly cautious, as we head upwards into these areas of resistance past 98, 99 to 100. So fine, that'll be the case, and we'll see as we get closer to that. Just having a look here at dollar yen. So dollar yen is now starting to sport a higher low on the weekly, starting to look that little bit more bullish. The trend hasn't really been that great on dollar yen lately anyway, over the last couple of years, so it doesn't really go that much, go that far, doesn't do that much, and that's something that I just so I don't really trade it too often unless there's a strong trend on some of the other cross pairs with the Japanese yen. Then having a look here on dollar Swiss here, I can see it heading lower, so this sort of implies a bit of a retracement. There's a level of support here, and we do have a swing low that's just formed on the monthly, but we are actually in a downtrend. So we've got a slightly weaker dollar there than the Swiss franc, although we now have an uptrend on the daily. So there's not a lot of clear trading opportunities, at least not there. And dollar CAD, very bullish at the moment, still technically lower highs and lower lows, still a downtrend on the weekly, but more range-like behavior on the monthly. So the difference here, and this is why I always do it in this order, is I always leave dollar yen, dollar Swissie, and dollar CAD to the end, is because actually the three of these pretty much kind of do their own thing for the time being. There isn't as much correlation between them, so I don't really find them too reliable in terms of doing that, but certainly Euro, GBP, Aussie dollar, and Kiwi dollar conforming to the idea of a stronger US dollar. So I'm going to maintain that outlook for the time being as we approach those key levels. Let's see where we are by the following Friday. Obviously, non-farm payroll produced some higher than expected jobs, of course, so that has boosted that confidence in the US dollar. And so for now, that's what I'm going to be having a look at. There have been some very interesting trades this week that I've posted about, sort of Aussie pairs heading lower. There's also a couple of the other ones. Let's just see, it was a Kiwi, Swissie, Kiwi yen, a couple of those heading lower. There even a few of these others, Euro, Aussie, Euro, Kiwi, climbing to the upside. So there have been some really good swing trading opportunities this last week, and I've posted a bit more detail on that in different separate posts on LinkedIn. Thank you.